Sunday. Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, haul, thrifts, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Essy. Welcome to a little home of simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. In today's video, I wanted to share some window treatments and moving houses. So I recently moved houses and I wanted to change some of the items. I wanted to have some new window treatments. That means the curtains and the sheer curtains. So I did some shopping haul. I went to Gikomba and got some shears, where I went very early in the morning, and you know guys what, I decided I'm a businesswoman, so I went very early and I got a very good deal. So where I bought the curtains, where I bought my sheer curtains, I got 6 of them at one place and they were good as new. They are big, they are nice, and they're unique. So I got each for 200 shillings. So guys, one tip: if you want to go to Gikomba and buy sheer curtains, or just buy curtains, or even buy anything, I would advise you go very early in the morning and have an agenda of what you're buying, so that you can just go in one place and get whatever you need. So I went to Gikomba, searched for a few places, and then I got one place where the curtains were being opened. So I went there, stood there, and I got 6 sheer curtains that look very wonderful, and they are the same. So I bought them, and then after that I went to Eastleigh. So I'll also be sharing a short clip on my Eastleigh haul for the curtains. So at Eastleigh I went to Apex Mall on the ground floor. I had done some window shopping, and I had also researched online on the curtains that I wanted, but online they were a bit expensive. Also window shopping in town was a bit expensive, so I decided to go to Eastleigh. In Eastleigh I went to different malls, and the one I got a good deal was at Apex Mall. I will leave the contacts for the people, for the guys who sold me the curtains down below. I'll also link a short clip when I was buying the curtains. They were made at the same place, so you guys will be able to see that. I'll also be giving the prices of how much the curtain costs and how much it costs to make them, because you buy the material and then it's made by the tailors who are actually available on the shop. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sharing the painting, some of the painting clips. The house was painted, and then we moved to the house, and once I moved to the house I did some redecorating as well. Some of the things I redecorated with so far are the things that I had in the previous house. So guys, I'll also be sharing a clip on that, and I'm so excited for this new year, because I'm going to be bringing you so many more DIYs and hauls and thrifts, because yeah, this house, it's bigger and better, and I want to decorate it with you guys. Come along with me as I go thrift shopping at Gikomba, and also shopping at Eastleigh for my curtains. Yes, and moving in guys. See you soon. My first stop was at Gikomba. This is where they sell the curtains. I want to do some thrift shopping and see if I'll get some sheer curtains. So I found this guy, he was opening new stock. So I stood there and checked around, and actually I found 6 of them, brand new curtains that look alike. Actually they look like they haven't been used before. So I went with the tone of the curtain was beige cream. So this is what I'll be going with when I'm checking the curtains at Eastleigh. So in Eastleigh I looked around. I went to Apex Mall. So this is where I got a good deal for the curtains per meter. So I'll check around with you guys, and then also I'll share the prices and the contact details, so that you can also maybe come and shop here as well. So This is the owner of the shop.
Yes, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim. We are working at Eastleigh at a mall called Apex Mall. We are located on a shop of G24, G25.
And it's on the ground floor.
Yeah,
it's
on the ground floor.
Yeah,
we
so
really offer our customers if they want as free deliveries, and we give a nice discount as the way our sisters is saying now. Through we are under custody of a feel free, so you can go around on it and you choose the curtain that you think that is okay for you, and we give you a nice discount. Thank you.
Yeah, so as you said, they have a very nice deals. I've been here, I've checked a few shops, and I really loved it. And as you can see, my tailor is here and he's really working so hard. So here guys are the curtains. So they're this long from there down. Yeah, and then if you have curtain rods, you can also put them in the curtain rods. So there we have all colors, and then we also have the shears here, like this one. These are sheer curtain. We have all types of curtains. As you can see, we have prints. We also have some of them are plain, and then we also have some shears which have flowers. As you can see, this is so pretty. Yeah, so it's a very big shop and they have so many materials. Yeah, as you can see, you can put the curtain rods. If you have a curtain box, you can also put them in the curtain box, and they are good size. As you can see, it's very long from up to down. So these are the curtains. I will wash them. Now I'm going to take you on a house tour. So the house is being painted currently. It's going to be painted the same colors, but there's one space where I want the color changed. So it is initially, just a minute, let me show you. Yeah, it's on this color, which I really don't like, so I want it to be cream like the rest of the space. So the painting is ongoing right now, and once it's done, we're going to give it at least a day and then move in. So what I look for when looking for a house is lighting, natural light. Natural light is actually the best because you don't have to keep the bulb on or the electricity on during the day. So this house has good natural lighting. It's in a good space. It's quiet. Yeah, so those are some of the things I look for when I'm getting a house. The other essential is always water. So this is how the curtains look. They're in this golden beigeish color. So as you can see, they are very nice. I love the curtains, and you can see they blended so well with the sheer curtains. So what I did when I was going to Eastleigh, I already had the sheer curtains with me, so I knew the colors that I wanted. So this is a curtain that I also bought in Gikomba. For the decor, I'm still using the ones that I had already done. These are DIYs that I made last year. You can check them out on my channel as well.
So we have paintings, we have these boho baskets, and a few more things. So I'll be doing more of DIYs and room makeovers in this new house, so look out for that.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a bit different and had so many things going on because I was moving, secondly I was doing some shopping for my curtain treatments, that's curtain and shears, for my window treatment, that is. And yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you haven't joined our DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you like DIYs as much as I do, kindly follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cosying Up with Essy, and for any business inquiries at cosyingupwithessy@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers guys, have a lovely week and see you in the next time.